There are a lot of common sense, simple things that you can do to maintain your car and save money at the pump. Here with us today is Tom Taylor from rockauto.com. Welcome.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, we're so glad to have you here and talk about auto parts and saving money.
Some common parts you can replace to maintain your car, make it last longer, and save money at the pump. With a tank of gas costing $100, if your fuel efficiency has declined by 10% because these parts are worn out, then that's like $10 every tank that you're just wasting.
Wasting?
You can quickly replace for all this. You can quickly pay for all these parts to maintain your car.
Yeah, because that's not wasting. Then you'd actually be spending money towards the maintenance instead of throwing the money away at the pump.
Right. So yeah, we have the engine air filter. Those still wear out at 30,000 miles or so when they get clogged with bugs and debris. And then the spark plugs on newer vehicles, the owner's manual may recommend 100,000 miles, and they can last that long. These examples here have 100,000 miles on them, but those may wear out sooner. The little boots and springs and seals we have here, those replace the old spark plug wires that older engines have, and those wear out like spark plug wires do. They can start arcing, and so yeah, those may wear out before 100,000 miles, or certainly need to be replaced whenever you replace the spark plugs.
And if you're waiting for 100,000 miles and there's a lot of heat building up in the engine, I've found times at the shop where the spark plugs actually seize inside the engine, which causes a whole different plethora of problems for this consumer.
Yeah, it'll snap off, and the oxygen sensor is kind of the messenger that tells the computer if the fuel air ratio is right. If that gets carboned up, then the signal's wrong and the engine's lost track of how the engine's running.
Yeah, I'd like to think of the oxygen sensor as the tune-up of today, because it's regulating that gas and oxygen mixture that is so vital to be so precise for your engine to burn efficiently and, of course, not waste that fuel.
And it may not be mentioned in the owner's manual, which is kind of surprising because they should be replaced at 60,000 miles or so in most cases.
I agree completely. And with that air filter as well, I wouldn't wait, depending on, of course, where you live, but more than 1 year to check your air filter, because that right there, something as simple as bringing in the air, can hold you up on 10% of fuel economy.
Yeah, money wasted.
Money wasted, sure. Well, if you have any questions or comments, reach out to us right here at MotorWeek.